Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, since yesterday I uploaded a video in which I am showing reverse conditioning, like I condition my hair, I shampoo my hair and then again condition my hair, and that was all and it really worked. But what about after that? Okay, so after that, since my hair are wet right now, I have washed my hair right now. So after that, what I do is, after removing tangles, after like drying my hair, and I literally air dry it. It's not totally dry also. I don't like to use a hair dryer also. So yeah, and the next thing is this serum, hair serum. Like I frequently apply hair serum because what I feel is, like, instead of breaking hair, it is better to apply a serum and then just remove all the knots, and it even avoids frizziness. So it is really amazing, and I have done previously a video on hair serum. I used Streaks ka hair serum and it worked amazing. It is really nice, but it is in budget as well. But if you want to go on a high budget and something more nice than that, then you can go for this Bblunt hair serum. This blue wala bottle, I just loved it. And you know what, I don't use this regularly. I use that Streaks wala hair serum regularly, but this occasionally, like if I want to go out or if I have something special, then I use this. This gives shines, and the smell is also literally mild, and it is amazing. Like, since I have washed my hair, what I'll do is I'll just pump 2 drops of hair serum on this. I'll just rub on my hand and then just apply with my hands all over, and the smell is really nice. It has mild smell. You can't feel the smell, but you can smell. It is something like that. And don't apply on scalp, just on hair. So don't apply too much, because then it will be like feeling like oily hair. But this avoid tangles whole day, and it protects from heat. And there are several benefits of using hair serum. And if you haven't seen my previous video on hair serum, I'll link that in the description box, or you can click on that I button so you can watch that after this video. And this is how you apply hair serum. Don't forget to apply on the roots. And yeah, that's it. Okay, that was all for today. This is what hair serum is, and I'll rate 9 on 10 till I don't get something better than this. But I have tried like 2-3 more serum in shops, but I like this. The smell is also amazing. It literally, like, this is something amazing. You must try. And this is not a sponsored video, so please, and Bblunt, if you are seeing this, please do sponsor. I just love your products. Yeah, I have done Bblunt ka hair color also for one night stand. I literally like Bblunt products. So I'll link that also in the description box. That was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye.